Welcome to the epitome of luxury living at Bondi Beach, where every sunrise feels like a masterpiece and every sunset a celebration. Step into what is arguably Bondi Beach's best penthouse, where perfection meets panoramic ocean views. This penthouse isn't just about the location, it's about the lifestyle it offers. As you enter, you're greeted by a sense of exclusivity and privacy that's hard to find elsewhere. With a media room, vast formal dining room, and casual living zones, there's space for every occasion. Whether it's a cozy movie night in or hosting a glamorous soiree, step outside onto the oversized entertainer's terrace, where alfresco dining and lounging become an art form. With commanding views over Sydney's most famous beach, every moment spent here is nothing short of breathtaking. Inside, the penthouse boasts a gourmet marble kitchen, seamlessly integrated into the luxurious open-plan living and dining area. Here, sophistication meets functionality in every detail. And the location, it's unbeatable. Just a stroll away from the world-famous Bondi Beach, icebergs, restaurants, shops, and the serene Hunter Sculpture Park directly behind. This is more than just a penthouse. It's a testament to the Bondi Beach lifestyle. Experience the pinnacle of coastal living at Bondi's best penthouse. Welcome home.